Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to use an AI tool that can do quite a number of things, from converting text to speech to even doing speech to text, and sometimes you can even generate subtitles, okay, with this particular AI tool. So to start, I've seen many text-to-speech AI tools, but to be frank, not many are on the Android phone. So for today, we're going to learn how to use Recloud, and this is going to be strictly on an Android phone. So to start, when you open your Android phone, you can always come to the Play Store. And once you open your Play Store, you can come all the way to the search bar. Once you click on the search, you can go ahead and search for Recloud, just like so. And you can see it over here, Recloud app, AI speech to text. You can see it over here, Recloud AI speech to text. You can just click on it. So now it is installing. Let's give it some seconds to finish the installation. It's not a big size, it's just 58 megabyte. Okay, and you can see right now it has finished downloading. It is installing. All right, so it has just finished the installation. We can just click on open to kickstart this particular app. Let's accept and continue. So you have to log in with your Gmail account, of course, or with your email and password. All right, so you can see once you log into the account, you'll be able to see the different features that it has. The first is AI text to speech. You can do AI video transcription. You can do AI video translator. And then down here, if you check down here, you can do AI text to video, AI audio transcription. You can do AI subtitle generator, like I've said, and then you can record your screen using this screen recorder at the third line. Okay, so you can just go ahead and try any of them, but for this, let's just pick in two of these features and just try. Okay, so let's say the first option that we're going to use for today is AI text to speech. So let's go ahead and click on text to speech. Now you can go ahead and copy your text and paste it. And the best part of it is that you can have the AI write the text for you if you're interested, or you can just go ahead and paste in your text over here, or you can upload it. If you have it somewhere, you can upload, or you can just generate any random text, or you have the AI write the text for you. So let's say we'll go with something random, and you can see we've just have this text, a little girl named Alice, found an old paintbrush in her attic. So let's say the AI is going to use this particular text and is going to convert everything into a voice for us. Okay, so you can come over. If you want to use multi-voice, you can check in multi-voice. Please enter text here to upload or upload TXT. Okay, so let's say I have this text, and then we can come down here and say you can click on preview, or you can just go ahead and say transcribe. And this is directly going to transcribe this into an audio for you.
A little girl named Alice found an old paintbrush in her attic. She didn't know it was a magic paintbrush that could bring her drawings to life. One day, Alice decided to draw a beautiful garden. As she painted, the colors came to life and flowers bloomed, birds sang, and butterflies flew around. She was so amazed that she continued to draw more and more things, creating a magical world of her own imagination. But one day, the paintbrush disappeared. Alice learned that the paintbrush had chosen her because she had a pure heart and a vivid imagination. She realized that she didn't need the paintbrush to create beauty. She could do it with her own heart and hands.
Fantastic. So you can see it is exactly what we have here that has been generated by the AI. So you can go ahead, if you want, you can save this, or if you want, you can download it directly from here. So you can go back. Let's try another thing. For example, let's do AI video transcription. So we can just go ahead and click on AI video transcription. And then over here, you have the option to record yourself, or you can do video and audio. If you want to do audio only, video and audio, or if you have something on the cloud, you can bring it in. So let's say video and audio. Okay, so let's say I have this video.
I have this list of products and I need to remove duplicates. There are two ways I can go about this.
Okay, so this audio, this video, I want to create a transcription of it. I can just go ahead and say import, select this and say import. And this is now going to import the video. So the best part of it is that even if you exit this stage, it will not interrupt the process. All right, and you can see right now it has just transcribed the text. You can play it and let's hear what it has to say.
The products and I need to remove duplicates. There are two ways I can go about this. Select a column, go to Data, Remove Duplicates. Column D, click on OK, and all duplicates are gone. If I want to do it the formula way, this is what I can do.
Fantastic. This is actually exactly what the video is all about. You can edit this if you want to edit, or you can retry, or you can add it as notes, translate, or you can export this if you want to export. So you have the option to export it in TXT or in Word version. You can export the text however I want it. All right, so the last thing that I want to show you with this particular AI tool is how to create or generate subtitle from a video. So let's go ahead and click on this option, AI subtitle generator. So you can use the Recloud or you can use the local storage. Let's say I have that particular video, this one, and we can select it and say import. And then we can just go ahead and generate the subtitle. Now you can just go ahead, confirm. If you want to have another language, you can use auto detect, or you can use English or simplified Chinese or thereabout. You can just go ahead and try. Let's use auto detect. Okay, and you can see the video subtitles have been created. You can see on 00, I have this list of products I need to remove duplicates. There are two ways I can do this, and then the list go on. You can change the style if you're interested. You can add in different kind of style, the outline, you can change the background, and the heights, the size, and so on. You can customize your text literally with all of these features. And then once you're done, you can just go ahead and say preview this.
I have this list of products and I need to remove duplicates. There are two ways I can go about this. Select a column, go to Data, Remove Duplicates, column D, click on OK, and all duplicates are gone. If I want to do it,
so this is fantastic. It has really done it the way we want it. So it's very easy. You can go ahead and try any of the features. It's very easy and free to access. You can go ahead, access it, and see what you can do with this particular AI tool. Okay, these are the various things that you can do with it. So this concludes this simple tutorial about how to use the Recloud AI app that you can use to generate AI text to speech, AI audio video transcription, AI audio transcription, AI text to video, and even screen recorder and AI subtitle generator. So please go ahead and explore. I'll put the link in the description and the pinned comment of this video. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.